And this is really the epitome of competence-based education. We have seen a lot of talent, a lot of competence, a lot of creativity, and we are really very excited to be here this afternoon to watch our children really display the talent. And just to say that most of our children are really doing well. We have 140,000 participants here in Meru who are participating in this music extravaganza, and they are doing extremely well. And we are looking forward to the best of the best who are going to proceed with the state concert. And I want to tell the nation that we can see a lot of creativity, particularly in our junior school, under the competence-based education.